Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're tackling one of the most fun parts of using alcohol markers, blending. We will try 3 methods in this short session. It seems hard at first, but it's easier once you find the best method for you. So let's start with my preferred method, dark to light. Firstly, go with the darkest color and move to the lighter shades. The secret here is always speed. Alcohol markers dry quickly, so you have to work while the ink is wet to get that seamless blend. For practice, you can begin with similar colors. This method saves ink and time because you don't have to keep going over with the previous marker. If you want the blend to be light in the middle, you blend going inwards. These two work well together, so let's add a different shade. When the blend isn't smooth, you can add dots using the previous marker. Then blend over again with the light marker to pick up the ink. But it takes some elbow grease, so keep blending to get desired results. I always have the next marker in hand for quick blending. Now for the next method, light to dark. For this one, you start with your lightest color. Then go in with the dark color right on the edge of the light one. Then go in again with the light color to blend the boundary. But with this method, sometimes it doesn't blend well with some shades. Or if you don't blend enough, it will leave some lines. So if you are not sure, you can try on the side before applying directly to your work. You can try with the first method to see if there will be a difference. Looks better this way. Trial and error works too. Now let's try different color combinations. Lastly, the streaking method. So with this one, we just do a streaking motion, starting from the darkest color, going to the light one. Remember to be fast with this method too. So you can give it a go with colors you find interesting. Here's a few I ended up doing. Now you will be able to apply these methods to your drawings or coloring books. Here's 2 examples from pages that I used a lot of blending on. The full sessions are on my channel if you are interested in the color combinations.